In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your install path for Valorant. So regardless whether you're just downloading Valorant or you've already had it for a while, you've clicked on this video because you want to learn how to change the install path for Valorant. Now if we go into the top right corner and click this profile icon and go down to settings, we can see that the install path is already set for Valorant. And if we click on it, it doesn't actually allow us to change it. So how do we go about changing the install path for Valorant? Now it's actually a very simple process, and the first thing you have to do is simply exit out of Valorant, and you can just close the Riot Games launcher. From there, we want to click the Windows button, and we can just type in uninstall. From there, we'll see this option that says add or remove programs. We then want to look for this option, which is Valorant, and we can simply click on it and then choose to uninstall. We can then click uninstall again, and once you have uninstalled it, we can now reinstall it, and we're going to reinstall it with a different install path. So you want to head over to Riot Games website and then go to the Valorant section, and then we can choose to play for free, and then we just want to re-download it by clicking this download button. We can then choose to reinstall it, but first we want to go to this button down here that says advanced options, and when we click on that, that now allows us to change the install path. So we can simply change it by clicking here, and then we can choose whatever folder we want to install it in, and then when we're happy we can go ahead and click install. And it will now begin installing Valorant onto our PC with the correct install path that we wanted. So that's exactly how you can change the install path for Valorant. Hopefully this method didn't take you too long to do. It's a shame that there isn't actually a button inside of there that quickly allows us to change our install path. But regardless, this shouldn't take you longer than something like 10 minutes. So it's not the biggest inconvenience in the world. But it would be nice if there was an easier way of doing it. So that is exactly how you can change the install path for Valorant. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.